Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to create a discoverable space in Gmail. In this full guide, we'll walk you through the steps to efficiently organize your inbox and enhance productivity. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Gmail on your device. Step 2. At the bottom, tap on New Space to create a space. Step 3. Enter a name for your space. Optionally, you can add a description and choose an avatar for it. Select an emoji or a default letter avatar. Step 4. Choose your target audience for the space. You have two options, restricted or all of your organization. If you have a work or school account, additional target audience options may be available. Contact your administrator for more information. Step 5. Tap Next to proceed. Step 6. Enter the name or email of the people you want to add. Invite Google Groups, or pick from the suggested contacts list. You can skip this step for now if you prefer. Step 7. Tap Done to create your space. Tip: if your administrator deletes the target audience you selected, the space access defaults to restricted. Space managers can still add or invite users to access the space. And there you have it. You've successfully created a discoverable space in Gmail. Now you can efficiently collaborate and communicate with your desired audience. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Stay organized and stay productive.